The first part of the rebuilding process is when we remove the bottoms. We use a bevel point shoe knife, which is sharpened frequently. It takes us about 3 minutes per boot to remove the existing boot bottoms. Next, we use special equipment and techniques to remove the dirt, grime, thread, and glue from the leather, and then we buff the leather clean. We clean out all the stitch holes and clean the entire exterior of the boot. The end result is that the leather is returned to a pristine condition. Now we repair the stitching and add a heel slip if necessary. All the stitching is examined and re-sewn as needed using traditional lock stitch sewing. Next, we attach the now clean leather upper to a brand new boot bottom. Many customers change the bottoms of their boots, let's say from a Schnee's Hunter bottom to a Schnee's Extreme bottom. And this process of sewing the bottoms to the new leather uppers is done by our most experienced seamstresses. We try to sew the new stitching into the existing thread holes because it maintains the integrity of the leather. We use the heaviest bonded nylon thread when we attach the boot bottoms, and it takes about 8 minutes per boot. All the seams are triple stitched. Once the new bottoms are attached to the uppers, it's time to make the boots look new again. We use Montana Pitch Blend dressing and Schnee's premium leather conditioner, and we'll use several coats. We allow each coat to penetrate the leather before starting another coat. Our employees take great pride in this process and use everything from polish brushes to toothbrushes to cover the entire exterior of the boot, including the tongue. Our goal is to return a customer's boot in the best shape possible and as quickly as possible, so that he or she may use and enjoy our boots again quickly. Finally, part of our rebuild service is the replacement of laces, tongue savers, worn-out hardware, and for uninsulated boots, the footbeds are replaced as well. We also recommend replacement of liners if we see the need. Please contact us if you have any questions at all about getting your boots rebuilt.